really ugly.
I can't check until 5 minutes. But if it gets to where there's a tornado, just pick me up. Because I want to get as much school as possible. Oh, but this looks real bad.
Yeah.
This is close to being black.
You know where to go? It's in school.
Yeah.
Where? In the bathroom?
No, we go in the hallway.
Okay.
Because in the hallway...
What do you have to do? Stand up or
sit down. You don't stand up, Mom. You sit
just
down.
make sure you know what you do.
Because sitting down and covering your head is how you do it.
What they doing?
There's going to be a tornado around here.
Okay, Joy, take off.